Good morning. Hi, this is AMarkets Daily Review, and my name is Maria Salnikova. I'm here to present you our trading ideas and our the best ideas that we think you should use for today. The market is really interesting now, and yesterday we saw a federal fund decision on interest rate. It was okay, I think, and I hope you're fine after trading last day. Yeah, we have now an interest rate a little bit higher. But there was no particular signal from the federal fund that they will raise raise the interest rate faster this year. So the United States dollar is going down, and it slipped not only on Thursday, it slipped on Wednesday as well. But it's not the last idea for this day that we should try to sell the United States dollar. Here are some more news. And of course, so let's go through the news list. We have for today market PMI manufacturing, but those are all flash numbers. We will have PMI manufacturing for France, Germany, Eurozone, but those are not the numbers that we should really pay attention to. They're flash, and the market will maybe the market will take them into account during the intraday time, but for tomorrow they won't have any influence. And after the PMI, we have at 9:30 from United Kingdom the retail sales for February, and at 12 a.m. here is a board meeting announcement. Bank of England will publish its rate decision. And what I think that we should try to trade Great Britain pound this time. Yeah, it will be a little bit dangerous, but still, here is a good opportunity for those who will enter market in the right side. Okay, let's go to charts. As usual, we pay attention to charts, and it was a really good opportunity yesterday to buy some Eurozone, some Euro currency. Here is what you see is here is the 4-hour chart. Let me change. Yeah, here's a 4-hour chart, and there was a good signal to buy euro yesterday if you pay attention to candles. Every day I tell you about the signals that you can see on candles after you get shadow from the side where the market will push the price. So here you can see two 4-hour candles with a shadow on the bottom part that signals you to buy euro, and this is a really good opportunity for you if you trade and not only invest but you trade, and you know how to enter market the right way, so you don't open a deal, you see 2 pips going out on your side and you close your deal. Now if you trade and you have some experience already, so this will be a good help for you in the future. Today, for the euro dollar, look at this situation. We saw a little downtrend on 1 4-hour chart for like the last 2 weeks, I think. It was broken yesterday, and now we see the retest. So the price went again below 1.23. This is like the first day that I tell you that it's really important for the price to be below 1.23, and until we have this price upper 1.23, we keep buying it with the target 1.25 and 1.2640. So what I think, it's still good to be in long positions for euro. Okay, let's go next to New Zealand dollar. This was a bad guy. We had a good deal one day, and after that we came out, we closed our deals because it didn't look that market is ready to go to push the price upper. And yeah, we saw the breakdown of a level of support, the level 0.7200, but yesterday price came back to our range. I remind you about our 4-hour range with the level of support 0.72 and level of resistance 0.74, 200 range. I hope you didn't sell yesterday because we talked with you about the situation on New Zealand dollar, and for now it looks like, let me show you daily chart. It looks like while we still below 0.72, it's still okay to buy New Zealand dollar, but to be safe trader and to enter market more safely, I would prefer the market to break the level of resistance right here. Open 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. Yeah, the price is 0.7240. So when the price goes below this level of resistance, after that I would enter market with long position. For now, we'll just keep away from this New Zealand dollar. Seriously, so this is my trading idea, that it was okay to buy it, New Zealand dollar on Monday. After that, we left it, and for now, it's okay to buy New Zealand dollar with the United States dollar after the break of 0.7240. Let's go next. Here is Monero. What we do here for now, for all coins, what I think is okay to go intraday and to trade on 1 hour charts, 4 hour charts, but not the daily charts. Maybe even 30 minutes charts, so you get a faster signal to enter market. And this is a good period to trade technical situations, all the trend lines, and not the huge trend lines that I show you here from like 2017, but the small ones, intraday charts. And yeah, I will show you a little secret, let's say it like that. So look here, this is 30 minutes chart, and this is Monero. I always pay attention because to this currency, to this coin, because it's really technically good coin. Yeah, so after you see the breakdown of those trend lines, it is a signal to enter market with a sell. So you see the breakdown, it's time to sell it. For now, what should we do? We put a new trend line from the bottom and right here. What we do, if we see the breakdown for Monero, it will be time for us to sell it intraday on 15 or 30 minutes chart. You can see it's not complicated. Also, you can paint some trend lines like this. Well, let's check. If the price, what my idea is, if the price goes here right now, so we see the breakdown of this small tendency line, the upper one. If we see the breakdown, so we buy it with the target maybe 222. If we see the breakdown of this tendency line, we sell Monero with the target, let me show you, with a small target to like 195, 200. This is a short trade that we can see for now based on trend lines intraday. And this is a really good technical instrument that you also should take into your arsenal. Okay, let's go next. Zcahs. Zcash is good to trade by levels, not by trend lines. It's a little bit different to trade Zcash, and it does gives you it gives you an opportunity to enter market with levels. For now, the level of support is 220 and the level of resistance is 248. By the way, I remind you that we already bought Zcash. We got profit near 248, and now we sold it. Also I told you on March 21st to sell Zcash. I hope you did. Even now, I think you're in profit. And still we use those levels 220, 248. If the price goes below 248, then the target is 286, a big one. Okay, next is Ripple. What I like in Ripple, let me check the daily chart. Here is a big level of support for Ripple. You can check the price 0.6120, something like that. So we had it in 2017 in December, we had it in February 2018, and now we have it here in March. Usually when the price is stuck near some level of support or level of resistance, it will jump really fast after the right trader comes to this currency, to this coin, particularly here. So for now, it's good to try, not to be sure and lose buys, but to try to buy Ripple after it comes to 0.62, 0.60, yeah, 0.60, 0.62. So this is a good opportunity to try to buy, but with the stop losses. Here is still not a good signal to buy and to hold this coin. Okay, Ethereum Classic, what I like here, I told you about the breakdown of the tendency line, and now we are still in long position for this coin with a target 20.80. I will remind you that we had a breakdown of this tendency line. We still didn't get a retest, but what I think for now, that price will go first to the level of resistance, and after that we see the retest of this tendency line. I wouldn't wait for a test and after that enter market, but I can be wrong, of course. This is my strategy, what I think is okay to use for Ethereum Classic today. BTC Euro. BTC Euro is also really good in technical part. But you see that here are no trend lines for now. They're a little bit, I wouldn't use them actually. These are not the trend lines that you should use. But our target 6,300 is reached, and the price is stuck here. What we should try to do, I don't say that you should do this because I'm not sure actually in this signal, but I'm going to try it and to sell BTC Euro while the price is under 7,300. So I put stop loss below this price, and the target to hold short position will be let's put it to 6,780, or a little bit smaller target is 6,940. Those are two prices that I think is okay to hold short positions for BTC Euro. Well, and of course I would like to show you a technical picture for Brent. I hope you were with us, and I hope that you listen to our ideas about buying this instrument, because the whole market was screaming that you should sell it. I hope that you bought it, and now you're in profit for oil. So the market gave us an opportunity to enter long positions. Also, I told you that here is a signal on candles without any use. Here is a signal on candles with the shadows on the bottom part that shows you a big interest from buyers. And yeah, we got the price from 65 to 70 to 69.70. Well, and technically, of course, we got some resistance that doesn't give a price to go upper. And I think for today, oil is not the best instrument to trade, because most important news were yesterday, and we will have them on Friday for the oil market, but not for today. So that's why I think I would like to congratulate you with profits on oil, and let's leave it for today. We'll come back to oil tomorrow. Okay, about gold, still okay. Here's the gold. About the gold, it's still okay to use the range that I gave you for like 2 weeks already. This level of support is 1,300, 1,310, and the level of resistance is 1,325, 1,340. So this is the range that is still okay to use for gold. And the technique that you use is buy near the level of support and sell near the level of resistance. It's easy. For now, the gold will be trade. It's good to trade in a range. Here is no idea to make some trend deals for sure for long term. I think it's okay to trade it in short term, at least for a couple of weeks. Okay, so those are my trading ideas. I hope you like it. I hope that you use them, and of course you get profits. When you get profits or you just use our ideas, please write comments about this. We are really thankful to get your words and to know that you like what we do. I wish you profits and I wish you a good day. Bye bye. Join our channel.